Hello again, everybody. This is Jim, your product expert with Sump Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video for your viewing pleasure, enjoyment, and hopefully some good information for you today. Today we're going to talk about a question we get not a lot, but enough, and probably a lot. That's something that probably people think about a lot when it comes to oversizing a pump, maybe, or if you really need something like this. Can I use a sewage pump in my sump basin? So instead of using a regular sump pump, which averages around 30 to 60 gallons a minute at a 10-foot head lift, you want to put in a sewage pump, which can average probably 60 to 100 plus gallons a minute at a 10-foot head lift. A lot more water you're dealing with. The answer is, if you really truly need it, then yeah, you can do that. If you're living in the middle of a swamp, you have really high water table you're at the bottom of a hill somewhere, and you just get all the water from everybody else. Your pump runs all the time. The basin overflows or comes close to overflowing. Then yeah, you can definitely do that. But keep in mind, with these higher flow rates, you have to make sure that you're sizing the pump or the sump basin appropriately. So you don't want to put that in a standard 18 by 22 or 18 by 24 inch basin. You want to probably increase the size of that basin, probably at least a minimum 18 by 30 inch, so 18 inches wide, 30 inches deep. You want to pipe your piping or your discharge piping appropriately for that size of that flow rate. 100 gallons plus a minute is going to require a minimum 2-inch discharge, probably more. And if you're doing a larger pump, you may be having to deal with a 3 or 4 larger size diameter pipe. So 3, 4 inches, 5 inches, depending on the flow rate, you have to have a pipe that's going to be able to accommodate that much flow and move it appropriately and easily enough to where the pump is running at maximum efficiency. So hopefully that answers some questions for you on that. If you have any other questions on this, on any other questions, Q&A video ideas, give me a call. My extension's listed down there. Shoot me an email. I check out all those emails. And you also check out our how-to library, a lot of good information over there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So until next time, y'all have a great day. Take care.